Okay, hello, welcome to Bunky Town, and I found something very, very cool, and I think you'll like it. So stay tuned to see what this something is. Alright, here it is. 3 robin eggs and 1 hatching. Isn't it so pretty? The reason I know this is robin eggs, because the blue egg, the blueness of the egg means and represents robins. So, look at this guy. He's so cute. And this one right there is hatching. I'm gonna try to see if I can bring it a little closer. Oh, so pretty. More fun facts is that if you touch a robin's egg or its baby, it will immediately abandon it because it doesn't have its scent. Same with all birds, so be careful not to touch any eggs or the baby. Another fun fact about robins that the females are actually darker and more camouflaged in trees, because usually the nests you will find in trees, not play sets. Another fun fact about robins are that the females are more camouflaged than the males are. The males are more bright colored, and so the orange spots on their bellies are brighter than the females. The females are darker, more camouflaged in trees, because you don't find any nests usually in play sets. You mostly find them in trees. So yeah, that's pretty surprising that it's actually in here. So yeah, fun facts, right? I'll see you in the next video of Bunky Town. See you later, guys.